Who? Well, ladies and gentlemen, there's an official proof that me gutting this entire house to the studs to make sure that it's healthy, happy, up to date is a good decision. You know why? Because this is an internal wall. And look what's in the wall. See it? Do you see it? Had I connected the power, that, my friends, probably would have caused a house fire. On top of that, you can see this one. This one I saw already when we bought it. Now, this is why when a property hasn't had power for a certain amount of time, that the power company requires you to have permits pulled and a wire inspection done by a licensed a licensed electrician. And it's simply because anything could happen to these houses while they weren't connected to power, while they were vacant, while animals possibly lived here, you know, squatters, whatever. People came in here maybe and like screwed around with some stuff, causing mischief, whatever. But that right there, that's worth my investment and all my time right there. Because right there, that could be the reason that I lose my investment property, that my tenants lose their lives, you know, or a whole terrible list of things that could happen. So, you know, never take the cheap exit. Never cheap out on stuff that could save your life. In the grand scheme of things, me taking apart this entire property to the studs means that in the future, this property, I know what has happened to it. I know what's in the walls. I know what's been done to it. And I know that the house is happy, healthy, and safe. There's no mold. There's not going to be any like hidden contaminants that are going to make my tenants sick. And this is what I mean. I'm not a slumlord, and I greatly value my tenants. I think that, you know, they deserve to live in a happy, healthy home. They deserve to have, you know, safety, and they deserve landlords that take care of all of this stuff for them. So this is another reason why it's so infuriating for landlords to have tenants not respect their property. It's because some of us, not all of us, really, really do care about our properties, about our business, about the families that live here and the people who live here. And it's not just a paycheck. And trust me, there's not a lot of money currently in rentals because the cost of living is so high, the cost to carry it is so high, the cost to repair things is so high, etc., etc., etc. So if you're out there thinking, oh, well, you're a landlord, you make a lot of money and you can just make whatever rent you want. Well, no, I'm down like 10 grand because another property I have still, actually, we just renovated it, was all because of failure to take care of their own pets. So, you know, I'm not a slumlord. I think that my tenants are family to me, and you know, I am working so hard to have a healthy, happy house because it benefits everybody in this. And honestly, if that had caught fire, you know, my neighbors' houses could have gone on fire too. It could have destroyed like lots of people's lives if I had just left it like that in the wall. So, do your homework.